Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about honey. And no, I'm not talking about your sweetheart. What I want to talk to you about is storing local honey into your preps. You're wondering, why does it have to be local honey? Well, local honey is gathered by local bees, which go to the local flowers and mix with the local pollen. And therefore, the honey made from local bees have local antibiotics and everything else they have that deals with stuff in your local area as far as allergies and illnesses and stuff like that. I don't know all about it. Do your own research, but local honey is better for you than mass produced from other parts of the country where it doesn't have the local things that the local bees pick up. All right. I hope this is making sense for you, but it's one of the things we've talked about several times on my channel and other people's channels. They've talked about local honey being better for you. So do your own research, check it out, and see what you think about it. But I recommend storing local honey from local sources for your preps. All right. And as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. And most important of all, keep adding to your preps in water, food, and other supplies. Why? Well, this is why.